Okay. Yeah. Holy camoly, now look at that. There he is. And he's in one piece. I can't believe he drove it. I cannot believe he made it home. Brianne, I'm making this tape for you. I don't know how he did it. Honest to God. He had God with him tonight, that's for sure. You did it!
Thank God.
I was like, yeah, you had God with you tonight, that's for sure. You wouldn't have made it, but I've been praying and praying. Oh, that's your daddy. Yoshi, that's your dad. Watch out for the steps. I don't think you can see the steps anymore.
Thanks, Mom.
Look at that.
Come on, Yoshi, come on.
It hasn't even started yet.
Yoshi, come on.
Go outside with your dad. Go on.
Yoshi, come on.
Oh my gosh, look at that manual. It's up to your knees.
Come on, Yoshi, let's go. Come on, let's go, come on. Come on, Mom, hold this. Yoshi, come on.
Yoshi, go outside with your
Yoshi,
dad.
come on. Come on, bud. Come on.
Call Athena. See if Athena will come.
Come on. Yoshi, come on. Tina. Yoshi, come on.
Come on, guys. Go.
Yoshi.
Athena, go see your Uncle Manuel. Come on, you can do it. Go out there. Here comes Yoshi again.
Come on, Yoshi, come on.
All right, look at Manuel's knee deep in snow.
Come on. Mom, throw Yoshi's sock out.
Okay. Go get it. Go get it.
Come on, let's go.
She's going to fall in the
Come
snow.
on, bud, let's go. Come on. Y'all go, girl. Hi, bud. Come on, buddy. You can do it. Come on.
Oh my gosh, that's freaking. That's funny.
Look at it.
I told Brianna I was putting this on Facebook for her.
Mom, you taking a video? Get out of here.
Yeah, I'm taking a video.
Get out of here. Mom, stop.
Look at that. Ow! Oh yeah? Watch this. I almost slipped. Ow!
Watch this.
Yoshi's stuck. Oh, I gotta get.
She was so cold.
That was funny. Okay, no more videos. Give me a kiss. Mwah. I was so worried about you. Okay,
Mom,
I gotta.